Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well, which is pretty handy, and some nice black accents along the vehicle. We do get blind spot detection, which is pretty nice. And moving to the front, we got two tow hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, carpeted interior, your 6 additional seat. You got USB-C, and a 12 volt with cup holders. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats. You got the nice Ford logo right there. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 61,596 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle for your screen and your menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. And looking here on our main screen, we have our digital speedometer, which most people have it set as. We do have our trip info, driving assist, fuel economy, eco coach, your comm screen, and so on and so forth. To my right, we got cup holders, storage. You even get storage underneath your 6 additional seat with storage right here as well. Got storage here, USB and USB-C, and a nice little hook, 12 volt, more outlets, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, nice little coin slot, climate controls. You got secret storage above and below, storage right here. And right here we do have our features for a backup camera. You just click it on and off, hazards, traction, all that jazz. And looking here, we do get our navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, and all that fun stuff. Phone, you can see what phone's been previously connected. Navigation, little red dots have shown you where your vehicle's been. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7865, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.